Welcome to this video. I want to share a strategy with you, a trading strategy with you today. So here we're going to go on the 5-minute time frame, and I'm going to show you how you can get 20 pips a day trading Forex. I am in the USD Canadian dollar chart, and so we're going to use an indicator in here to help us to trade. Okay, so first of all, at the top, click on the F at the top and tap the F plus at the right side. We're going to add the indicator called the RSI, the relative strength index. So the oscillators, and the oscillators, come down and select relative strength index. The period of the indicator is 14. Then apply to close. Everything should be left as it is, and tap done at the top corner. So how are we going to use this to trade? Simple. We are going to do something. We're going to look for the oversolds and the overbuys. So what are oversolds or oversells and the overboughts or overbuys? So what are those? Those are the crosses. This is the RSI below, the crosses of the blue line above, and the crosses of the blue line below the demarcations or the limitations of the RSI. So we have the RSI, we have the 70 at the top and the 30 at the bottom. The lines, the limits of the RSI, we have 70 here, and then we have 30 here. Then we have this blue squiggly line which is passing through there. You can see the blue line. Now you can see that here the blue line has gone over, right? It has gone over the 70 mark and has crossed the dotted mark here. When that happens, we are said to have an overbuy. So it's overbought or it's an overbuy. So when that happens, you can now enter in for a sell. That means you can now enter to come downwards. What do I mean? What I mean is this: at the point where that happens in the charts, at this point you enter in the trade here. So you enter somewhere around here, and then you set your stop loss 20 pips. So if you're going for 20 pips, you set your stop loss to 20 pip and you take profit to 20 pip. Now, how do you enter in a trade? I already have a video how to enter in on a trade. I will post that video too on this channel, but let me quickly show you how. You click at the plus at the right corner here, and this is where you type your take profits. Your take profit is here, and this is where you type your stop loss. Your stop loss is here. Great. So now let's look for another one. Let's go through the charts and look for another one. At this point right here, we have an over. Just after the previous one, we have an oversold. And this is an oversold right here. The blue line has crossed the 30 point. So when that happens, again, you enter in to go upwards, and you set your stop loss 20 pip, and you go for take profit of 20 pip, right? So that's how you do it. So here, if you set your stop loss 20 pip, how is that gonna be? Let me demonstrate it to you. So I've minimized the chart so we can see it clearer. This is the point where we enter. This is the oversell. So at this point, this is where it happens, right? This is where it happens. So it happens at 1.33152. A stop loss of 20 pip is going to be around 1.3295. So it's way below, yes, here. 1.3295. So it's way below here, and that should be a good this is 99 is below that 1.3295, and your take profit is going to be from that point going to 25 all the way to 35. So, yeah, so you can easily get 20 pip, right? So your take profit will be up at 1.3335. all right, this is a mobile forex tutorials. I'm using a mobile phone to trade, and I'm teaching you mobile forex trading. All right, so that's how you get 20 pip. All right, so the first trade you entered to was 20 pip, and this one too is 20 pip. So let's look at where this strategy might not work is when the indicator, where the RSI does not exactly cross the 70 or the 30. You can enter those ones, but what I would advise is that make sure that it crosses through the line, and that's how you can get better trades. And when it crosses, when it oversells, it means you are going for a buy, and when it overbuys, it means you are going for a sell. That shouldn't be confusing for you, and that's the end of this particular a trading strategy, the simple quasi RSI trading strategy. Join my Forex group. You get free signals in the group and free knowledge. This is the link to my Forex group. Type it in your browser. Thanks for watching. Peace out.